All right, guys, so here at the Auto Connect, we got a little tidbit trick for you guys. If you come across a 2010 body style Beetle and you need to do a water pump, it's calls to be a pretty big job. 2.5 liter water pump in a Beetle. It calls for a pretty big job, but we have a trick that's gonna cut your time in probably at least half. And I'll let the big guy, the audiologist, explain what he did to cut the time in half on this. So go on ahead and you tell him.
You got to remove the headlight and headlight bucket.
Right.
Then you disconnect your power steering.
Right.
And get it out your way. Then you pull the motor mount.
Right.
Which is this right here.
Yep.
You got one bolt here through the frame, and then the other two you can get from the top, and of course these three go into the fender.
Right.
Then you just jack the motor up until you get clearance, and you can just pop your water pump in and out just like that.
So y'all ain't gotta waste time removing the bumpers or none of that.
The information online says you gotta pull both motor mounts, you gotta shift the motor to the driver's side,
right,
and all this other stuff. You don't have to do that. Disconnect your lines, get all your lines out of the way, jack the motor up high enough where you just tilt the pump and pull it right out.
That's it. So there goes. Use that trick, guys. Thanks for checking out our video. If you have any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche repair needs and you're in the South Mississippi area, definitely give us a call, 228-438-2056. But this will definitely help y'all hopefully save some time if you're doing a water pump on a 2.5 Beetle.